What's up, guys? This is my Model Y Juniper, and in this video I'm going to show you every single accessory that I've gotten for it for the last month that I've owned this car. And I've gotten quite a few accessories for it. Everything that I show you guys will be on my website, Primestronaut.com. For easy links, there is one section that is dedicated to all the accessories that I've gotten for my Model Y, or they'll be down in the description below. Let's start with the outside of the car. I've gotten these really cool wheel covers by EB Base that gives it a much more sporty look to the car versus the original wheel covers that it comes with. I also added a different cap onto the wheel cover that says Capsule Corp on it. And Capsule Corp is the tech company in Dragon Ball, one of my favorite animes of all times. So I decided to add that Capsule Corp logo on there with my laser engraver, but it also comes with a Tesla logo that you can put on there, which looks amazing on there. And it's really cool they included those blank caps so that I could laser engrave what I wanted on there. And I know not everybody has a laser engraver, but it was a cool little add-on that I could do on my own. Then moving on the car, I got these mud flaps that I included myself. I think they look awesome, and it kind of gives the car a little more size on the sides, in my opinion. Like, it just makes the car look a little bigger, even though it's just a bit of an illusion. And it protects the car from rocks and all that. That's what mud flaps are used for. Then I have the stickers for the door handles, and they were very easy to install. They're just stick on there, and they're kind of like a glossy carbon fiber look to the door handles, and it protects them a little bit as well. Then moving on to the side rear windows, I have these ribbed plastic installs that go on the window that just stick on. They're very easy to put on there, and it gives it a more sporty, mean look, in my opinion. And it's a very subtle look as well, because you can't really tell unless you really look. It also provides more privacy inside the car and more shade from the sun. So I like having my interior darkened like that and having more shade inside the car. Then moving on to one of my favorite add-ons on the outside is this really nice matte spoiler for the back of the car. This definitely adds a lot of a sporty look to the car. Supposedly some aerodynamics to it as well. And if you see any sports car, it's got some sort of spoiler. And this was just glued on to the car. It comes with some adhesive strips already pre-installed on the spoiler, and it is extremely easy to install and a very nice add-on to add to your Tesla Model Y Juniper. And it is a spoiler by Handshow, and they provide a lot of really cool EV parts on their website, and I definitely recommend checking out Handshow. Very great Model Y Juniper accessories available there, and other EV cars as well. Then on here on the front, I put my own tint on the car for the front window. The back window already comes pre-tinted or stained. It's like a stained glass. That's what I read about it. So I didn't do anything with the back. It already looks like it's about 20% stained on the back and provides enough shade for me. But I needed the front windows tinted because it was too clear and it did not protect from the sun, and it did not give that much privacy. So I really like what I did here. I got some pre-cut window tints on Amazon, 20%, and it matches perfectly for the back windows, so that worked out really well for that. Then on the front windshield, I added this strip of tint on the top to protect from the sun. A little extra privacy as well. This is 15% tint up here, and it does help block the sun versus putting down the shades or the mirror inside the car. I picked up these door logo projectors from my Tesla Model Y Juniper, and I'm seriously impressed. These cost half the price of the ones Tesla sells, and you actually get 4, so you can light up the front and back doors. And that's pretty much everything that I got for the outside of the car. Moving on to the inside, one of the first things I got were these really nice weather mats. It goes very well with the car. It came with a whole lot of pieces that I was able to put into the car. It comes with like 8 pieces of different mats. You got this front cover that has some Velcro on it, and it's really nice. It protects this front. Then you got the piece that goes on the trunk, and it is combined with the back seats have an attachment to them, so it's all Velcro. And when you put the seats down, it works great. So it stays in place, gives you extra protection in case you want to put anything on here. They're easy to clean and all that. So that worked really, really well with the car, and it was much more affordable than going through Tesla or any other company. I think you get really good deal on through Amazon. Then I got a screen protector for the back over there, for the back screen and the front screen. That is one of the first things I did when I got the Tesla. So I definitely recommend you get a screen protector for your car. It's kind of like a anti-glare screen protector, so it was pretty cool and very easy to install. I then got some extra storage in the back, these little containers, and they fit great on the back of the car, and they provide a bit of extra storage, so I thought that was pretty cool and something useful in case you want to, you know, store more things and be organized in your car. Then moving on to the front of the car, I have some magnetic attachments for a phone, one for the passenger and one for my driver's side. And this one can actually be able to charge your phone when you connect it to it if you plug a USB-C to it. And I have my USB-C plug right here that actually extends, and it's another attachment for the car. And it also has the Tesla logo. It has 2 USB-Cs, 1 USB plug, 1 port A for an iPhone or a headset, or headphones, I mean, for the iPhone. So this is really nice to install. It has that cool logo with the lights on it. Then I got some organizers for the console. I got this sticker for the console because it's very easy to scratch. And this one came with those door handles on the outside, so that was a great deal. And this comes with the organizer trays that you see right here. That's where I store my cameras, but you're able to, you know, stay more organized. Then I got this one too on the back console area. So that's cool too. It has space where you can run a USB-C cord through to it. Then I got this console protector for the middle area, and it has some more cushion, so it's a little more comfortable as well. So that was a nice add-on, not very expensive. I got these seat covers in case for whenever I go to work, I get dirty sometimes, or go to the gym. These work great, and they look really good, so I just pretty much forget that I have them on there and just keep them on. Now for my favorite add-on that I got into the car is this sunshade by Handshow. And the sunshade shade works great instead of those manual ones that every time you want some shade, you put them on there or they sag. This one makes it look like it's part of the car. Kind of like one of those new Tesla standard versions have the glass covered. You can cover it and uncover it on command by just pressing a button. So that makes this really, really convenient. A lot of people like having this part covered, but it's nice to have the option to uncover it whenever you want as well. It is also voice command, so you can talk to it. So say you're in the back camping, you got your bed back there, and you don't want to have to press a button up here. You can say, hello, TT.
I am here.
Close sunshade.
Close.
And then from there, the car will just automatically close that sunshade, and you'll have a lot better coverage from the sun. Keeps the cabin a lot cooler, and you'll be able to have more privacy. I guess it doesn't really matter for the outside on the glass. You really have a lot of privacy there anyways, but it really does keep the cabin a lot cooler. And that is pretty much everything that I've gotten for my Model Y Juniper. Oh, I got these glasses, magnetic glass holder up here, because it's kind of annoying keeping my sunglasses in the console because it just adds extra room for no reason. But other than that, that is everything that I've gotten for my Model Y Juniper after 1 month of ownership. I hope this video is useful to you guys. Remember, you can go down the description below to check out all the products that I talked about in this video, or you can go on Primestronaut.com and check them out for yourself. See you guys on the next video. Peace.